things to do. Hai Banun, Kang Ewo Alang asli Pariaman. Baga Banun, sehat nun. There's bule here. Belum tahu sih Nun, nunggu undangan. Udah berantakan banget. Siapa yo? Dia apa lagunya? Kok first time Nita live di Instagram, kiranya Rasul kayak gitu. Di Instagram, di YouTube. Nggak ada Nita berjogo lalu, udah dari tadi jogo lalu. Cuman bantu orang jogo lalu sih taruh. Terima kasih Kak Dinata. Mainlah ke perang panjang. Kok yo fans? Mainlah ke perang panjang yo. Angin. Oh my god. Okay. I think it's better. Adin, kita tunggu yo, kabari saja, DM saja ke Instagram Nita. Di Padang Panjang lah, soalnya kita di Siko kuliah. Sadanya ada nih gimana? Kan kita nggak tahu. Oke. Nggak ada manga live saja. Iyo di aski. Jangan dendang lain, itu sedang di kafe kampus ah. So cool here. lagunya. Nggak ada kita masuk malam, lu cuma nongkrong di kampus soalnya di kos surang kan, suntuk sih kami.
Like,
No, just stay here and don't go anywhere. Kok ada kanta dari New Zealand. Ini lancar bahasa Minang.
Emil.
Huh?
Emil.
Really?
Emil.
Kita.
You speak English too?
Of course. Hai, terserah aja lagunya.
When you learn?
Hah?
When you learn?
Otodidak.
When?
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 When I still junior high school.
Junior high school? Where?
Pariaman.
That's your hometown. American decision too.
Yes, I'm the player.
You?
Vocalist maybe Nilam Binti Malin, you know that?
You.
Udah solo live di YouTube kok dek kau. Oi. First time dan live di YouTube ulah. Sangat
You
menyenangkan.
know Karta Kusuma?
Yes, of course. I'm the part of them.
Huh? You know me?
I don't know you.
Yeah, you know, of course. You know.
I never met you before because when I still in State University of Padang, I often to play in Taman Budaya. You know that's right. I often to play there.
What your
And
degree? No?
Hmm?
No? What your degree?
degree, my department.
What your degree in this university?
Oh, maybe you mean my department. I come from
No. Your class, your
music.
Your level.
Oh, right now, 8.
No, I mean your what?
Yes, I know. Degrees derajat, right?
No, yeah, derajat, but um, bachelor. Bachelor.
No.
What?
You mean my semester?
Not semester.
So
PhD,
what?
something bachelor, PhD, or master, register.
Oh, yeah, ST.
Hmm?
S1. Yeah.
Yeah, bachelor.
I don't know that.
Bachelor or magister or PhD.
Not magister.
What? So, bachelor.
Maybe. I'm not really know about that.
Hmm?
I'm not really know about that.
Yeah.
I'm not really know about that.
Yeah. I cannot leave her alone. That's
Why? You love her.
Yeah.
I see that by your eyes.
Huh?
I see that by your eyes. You like her.
Rice. What rice?
Am I right? Your eyes.
Eyes.
Eyes. Your eyes. I know that. Your eyes tell me.
Huh? What's this? What is?
That is a good food. You can try that.
I cannot leave her. I don't know this for you.
It's okay, girl. Okay. Okay, guys, maybe I gotta go because di sini kayaknya dikit banget ya orang ya, beda sama Instagram. Jadi maybe kita join lain kali aja karena di sini kita juga ada temen. There a lot of stranger here. Okay, assalamualaikum.